I am Peter de Licht. I am 35 years old. I'm Danish. I work and live in Brussels since 1 year with a Danish company. And therefore I have the need to be able to express myself and understand internal, external customers in French. Well, I'm here to get an immersion into the French language to do that, so to help me understand when French is being spoken at meetings with customers, clients, in different settings, to get by both professionally and privately. I live with my wife and 3 kids who are in a French school, so that also helps me privately. Well, I think the word immersion has a different meaning once you have been at CERAN. I think people told me about it before, but you really have to come here to experience what it means. That you are every day for so many hours, both in and out of lessons, immersed in your language is really something differently, something we're not used to. Therefore, I would say if you have the time to come, it's a great investment, but you also are very, very tired at the end of the day. So that would be my takeaway from the first 3 days here. Fast, I cannot do in one word, but I can say 2 words. I think it's fast progress.